class, welcome back. In the last session, we learned about consumer equilibrium. It is the situation in which consumer has maximized total utility while allocating available income. Please note that it is following two requirements. First, spend all variable income. Second, equalize the marginal utility per dollar for all goods. And today, we will continue our session about prediction of marginal utility. That is, we can use marginal utility theory to make some predictions of consumers' behavior. Let's continue our example of Lisa. She has $40 to spend on movies and soda, and the price of a movie is $8, and the price of a soda is $4 a case. Then what will happen if, first, a fall in the price of a movie, second, a fall in the price of a soda, and third, a rise in her income? Recall the utility maximizing choice is only in row C in the table and point C in the graph. That's whenever marginal utility of a soda over its price, or MUS over PS, is equal to MUM over PM as shown. These two marginal utility per dollar are the same at point C. It means every additional utility one obtained from every dollar he or she spent must be the same for all goods. Then it is the equilibrium situation. Now let's consider situation 1 when the price of a movie drops. What will happen? We know that marginal utility of a movie always the price rises. So before the consumer change the quantity bought, then we will get marginal utility of a movie over price of movie is now larger than MUS over PS. If Lisa wanna store her equilibrium, the maximum total utility, she might increase the movies seen to drive down the marginal utility of a movie and then restore to the situation whenever MUM over PM equals to MUS over PS. That's marginal utility of the movie over the price of movie equal to marginal utility of soda over price of soda. Such that what we get here is the price of the movie falls, the quantity of the movie demanded increases. The movie demand curve sloped downward in our example. Or let's consider another possibility that she might also decrease the quantity of soda consumed to drive up the marginal utility of soda and then restore marginal utility of movie over the price of movie equalizes MUS over PS as shown. Then we can get another conclusion now. A change in the price of movie might change the demand for soda in this example. For example, in Lisa's case, she will drink more soda instead of watch more movie in order to restore her maximized total utility. Now, in the situation of a fall in the price of soda, I believe you can now practice by yourself with no problem. Then we can skip it now and move on to our next situation. What will happen when Lisa's income increases from $40 to $56 a month? Apparently, she has more to spend now, and she could buy more movies and soda. Let's have a look at the table 8.5, which shows these predictions. With $40 to spend, Lisa sees 6 movies and drinks 4 cases of soda a month. With $56 to spend, Lisa spends the extra $16, so she buys more of both goods. She sees 8 movies and drinks 6 cases of soda a month. The figure also illustrates these predictions. The demand curve expands out for both movie and soda when she has more money to spend in this case. Alright, until now we learned in this chapter about consumers' possibility, utility maximizing choice, and using marginal utility theory in order to predict consumers' behavior. Then at last, let's talk about new ways of expanding consumer choices. The subject of behavioral economics studies the ways in which limits on human brain's ability to compute and implement rational decisions influence economic behavior, both the decisions that people make and the consequence of those decisions for the way markets work. There are three impediments to rational choice: bounded rationality, bounded willpower, bounded self-interest. Bounded rationality is a rationality that is bounded by the computing power of the human brain. And the second, bounded willpower is less than perfect willpower that prevents us from making a decision that we know. At the time of implementing the decision, we will later regret. Bounded self-interest is a limited self-interest that sometimes results in suppressing our own interest to help others. Okay, let's stop here. Thank you all for your attention. See you.